Hello and good evening, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This evening, I am going to show you one beautiful 1968 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport. Wow, what a gorgeous car. 68 Super Sport Nova, 396, 375 horse engine under the hood, 4-speed manual transmission. What a beauty. Beautiful red car. It's got the correct Super Sport wheels, BF Goodrich radial TA raised white letter tires. Man, this is one really, really handsome car. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front, 4 on the floor. The body, paint, interior in this car is very, very nice. Check it out. The body gaps are super nice. This has been a very, very well-kept car, and this car runs and drives just absolutely great. Got the front chin spoiler on it, the chrome, the stainless trim, the bright work, the mirrors, the door handles, they're all in very, very nice shape. It's got one little chip right here that I will touch up, just on the edge of that body line. Got the Super Sport steering wheel, bucket seats. Sail panels, headliner, package tray, all very nice, as well as the back seat. Front seats are in great shape, super comfortable. Carpet's nice, got the Nova Super Sport floor mats. Got a little tripod of gauges down there. Them gauges are pretty cool. I even like that tack. Usually I don't like those tacks, but I really like that. It really looks real nice. And if you don't like it, it's only one bolt away to get rid of it. Jambs are very nice, door panels. Chevy 2. They called these things Chevy 2s in '68. It was the only year of this Nova they called the Chevy 2. That's got a little bit of water there. I washed this car earlier, so you've seen that. That was a few little droplets of water. Sun visors, rear view mirror, jams. Dome lights, seat belts are up above there. Man, I just love this car. It's got the perfect stance, just like the '68 Nova should. Got the correct hood on it. There's the 396, 375 horse. I'm sure it's way more than that now. Long tube headers. HEI distributor. Got a big radiator. Painted very nice underneath the bottom side of the hood with your insulators. Just a very, very nice, cleanly engine compartment. You're gonna take it to a car show, you're gonna raise the hood, you're gonna be proud to own Proud to own this car. I'm not a big car show guy, so I like cruising. I like enjoying them. Occasionally, I like to go to cruise-ins, cars and coffee, stuff like that. Not a big car show buff, I guess. Been to too many, and no matter how good a car you take to a car show, if you go a little ways away from home, you'll probably lose because all their friends are going to vote for their own stuff. Dash lights work, wipers work. Horn does not, radio does. Left turn, right turn. Radio works good. Well, it sounds, got a lot of, the speakers sound good. I know the static, you can't hear, it's kind of like the ant race, but what a tough sounding car. Chrome bumpers are all in great shape, as I said. The car just sounds freaking phenomenal. Gas tank, flow masters, 12 volt. Man, oh man, this is a nice ride. Nice, healthy, throaty sounding big block. If this car don't get your blood boiling, I don't know what will. Pure big block muscle. Chin spoiler. I think that looks great on it. Yeah. Yeah. You like that? Me too. I don't see any bubbles or blistering anywhere. You can kind of tell. I mean, the bottoms of them doors, they kind of tell the story. I mean, the car is super, super nice. Very clean. Looks, runs, sounds. Now we're going to see, well, looks and sounds. Let's go see if it runs like a muscle car. Runs, sounds, and drives like a muscle car. What a beautiful Nova. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N Auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty cars every day. So give us a call if you're interested in the beautiful Nova. I got this Nova, and I got the 69 red Nova small block 5-speed I just pictured. So one or the other, you're going to be happy, happy, happy with one of these cars. So. This thing's fun. This is such an awesome car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. Thanks to all my subscribers. Have a great night, folks. I'm calling it quits for the day. I'll be back again with you on Wednesday. Have a great couple days. Talk to you soon.